Can I go down the slide?
Yes, once.
I can't. Get out.
Just because I got skinny.
Crystal ball saying?
It says you will die this Tuesday.
Today's Wednesday.
Oh shit.
This is my impression of a little German boy if he was emo. Meine Gott, Lute. Meine Mama hat mir ein Fact erläutert. Das ist Cola trinken, das wie cool ist das bitte. Sechs sockig Fortnite und trinke Cola. Yippie. And I am tired of sleeping like a dog on the floor. And I don't care if you're sick, I don't care if you're contagious, I would kiss you even if you're dead. So cut my wrist and black my eyes! Nein, that fell too far.
Slanky dank, rippy dippy dank. I might have a few quirks, but at least my feet don't stank.
Let's go. Let's go. Wait.
Meow.
Can you speak English, please? I don't know how to speak English. 헤어지자고? 너 누군데?
오늘은 창빈 살롱.
Who needs the most attention? 누가 가장 관심을 좋아해?
Yourself.
페이스 얼굴?
Felix, this is English.
근데 치킨 한국어로 뭐야? Fried.
오.
귀여워.
Wakey. It's time to wake up.
Say something, 승민.
야 너무 이쁘지 않냐? 누구? 나는 진짜 해외 나와서 멤버가 운전하는 차를 너 말고!
Meow wanna talk yo.
I don't know why farting in a PVC pipe is the funniest thing to me, but I'm never gonna stop. And neither should you. I'm gonna stop.
I love your daughter.
What do you have to offer her?
Nothing. Only this.
What's that supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your mind, stop acting crazy. You know I give you the good love.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck?
I just popped 3 honey packs, and I'm gonna see where this takes me.
時間で何しよう。あ、それ、まいたけまいたけぐるぐるぐるぐるまいたけまいたけ。
Only one rider. Is there only one rider? Only one rider. Trick or treat. Smell my donuts. I bet you didn't know, Krispy Kreme, we do designer donuts. The holiday.
Why? Pose for me, baby.
Natalie Nunn. Hey, baddies. Pose for me. Ass fat, slim, thick, no tummy. I'm too bad and I'm getting mo.
Oh, bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Oh, pimp.
Oh, you've got to put some swaz on it, Gromit. Stop being...
Ready? Sit. Go.
She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel.
Motherfuckers be 21 and love with a 15-year-old talking about my life a movie. Like, yeah, bro, the Predator, the fuck.
One time I was taking a shit at school, and a girl the next hall over goes, "Hey, what you doing?" And I said, "Taking a shit. What do you think I'm doing?" And she goes, "Well, how long are you gonna be?" I said, "I don't know. I don't usually time them. But another minute or two, because I swear I got a brown Sharpie between my ass cheeks the way I keep wiping, and this toilet paper ain't getting any whiter." And then she goes, "Hey, I gotta call you back. I'm in the bathroom, and the girl in the next stall's taking a shit, and she thinks I'm talking to her."
Good night, fucking big back.
I'm gonna touch your asshole.
JT coming. JT coming.
I want my bad bitch today.
Oh, hell no. I know my Third Amendment right.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style.
When do you feel the most beautiful? Maybe when I'm dancing.
And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you.
Wait, where are you going?
To the Brony convention in Liechtenstein. Where do you think I'm going?
This place is great. You know, it's whimsical and fun.
What are you looking at, motherfucker?
A scientist is so cool. Son of a bitch.
Hennessy,